How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be doing a whistling practice. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So again, for my fitness people out there that are watching this, again, I make the whistling video just because it breaks up the monotony. I know it's a fitness channel, but sometimes I like making videos that are not fitness related. It keeps me happy. So again, whistling practice, it's a common topic that I will be going over on my channel. Again, it's just practice. We're just chilling, talking about stuff, practicing our whistling. May seem kind of weird, but whatever. So 2 hands this time. Let's do it. 10 seconds, then we'll stop. Wow, crazy. Okay, that was loud. I was not expecting that, but yeah. Killing it. 3rd video of the day, you guys. I'm feeling it. I'm really getting in a groove here. After this vid, I only got 6 more to make. Yeah, my goal every day is to try to hit 9 videos. That's for 4 days out of the week is 9 videos. The other 3 days, which is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I try to hit 18 videos. On Sunday, sometimes I will try to get 30. But again, I just try 18. 18 I try to average out for those 3 days. 18, 18, 18. And yeah, that gives me 90 videos a week, which translates into 360 videos in a month. I only upload 90 videos a month. So I have an extra 270 videos a month, and I just keep scheduling them along. Let's do it again. Wow. I'm killing it today. I think the last couple, the 2 videos, not my last whistling video, but the whistling video before that, I wasn't doing that good for some reason. I don't know why, but today I am killing it. Holy crap. But yeah, I like having videos scheduled ahead. That way I am in no pressure if I ever need to take a week or 2 off. It does not affect my channel at all. A lot of people, they take a couple of weeks off, and when they come back, they don't really keep up the same frequency of videos, then they lose subscribers, their channel could die, stuff like that. Like, screw that, I'm just gonna make lots of videos. Okay, let's do it again. That was okay. Could have been better, but could have been worse too. Yeah, we are killing it. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Generally, when I get into like long conversations, I like the video to be about like 10 minutes or so, just because it gives me a long time to talk about the topic. The video is only 5 minutes long. I really don't want to start talking about something, because then when the video is over, I still have stuff left, but still talk about stuff. Okay, another 10 seconds. I don't know if that was 10 seconds, but I'm lightheaded. Oh my god. Okay. 1 more set, then we're done. Whew. Yeah, the videos are coming along nicely. I'm super happy with my channel growth. I'm happy with the views, the subscribers. Everything is going really good right now, so I'm super happy. I just gotta keep doing what I'm doing, and over time, it will just keep paying off and paying off. I do have a little bit of a strategy that I kind of have for finances, but I'm not going to talk to you guys right now just because the video is almost done. In my next video, I'll probably talk about that. that wasn't as good, but I'm pretty lightheaded. So yeah, that's whistling practice today. Great job, you guys. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thanks.